getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 4 in my 10 looks using one palette series. In this series I am highlighting the Sephora Pro Editorial palette, and I really love this palette. I really like this blue toned look. I think it turned out really great. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing look number 4. I've done orange, I've done pink and purple, so I think I'm going to go for more of a blue eyeshadow look. Picking up this Moda crease brush, I'm going to pick up Helen P. I'm just going to lay that down above my crease. This color is actually showing up on camera, but it's just a very light wash of color. Once I have that color laid down, I'm going to go in with a Morphe M513. I'm going to pick up Shawn, which is a teal shade, and I'm going to put that in the crease. On a Morphe M433, I'm going to pick up CREASE. This is a more purpley blue shade. I'm going to put this right on the outer corner and blend it into the crease a little bit and see how that looks. It's a little too purple, mixing that with Shawn to try to get a deeper kind of teal shade. Second brush, the Morphe M513, and just blend with no extra product on it. Next, I'm going to carve out a half cut crease like I've been doing a lot lately, but I really love the way that it looks on my eyes. So just taking my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to go ahead and apply that. On a flat packing brush, I'm going to pick up Silver Coin, and I sprayed that with some setting spray, and I'm going to pat that directly on to where I put that concealer. Then I'm going to take this Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to be picking up Shawn, and I really tapped my brush off. And I'm just blending out those edges. I have a black eye right here from all the fallout. I'm gonna add some winged liner. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Okay, I suck at winged liner, so that's the best that I can do. So I'm gonna go pop on lashes and do the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to finish up the lower lash line. So I just finished up the rest of my makeup, so I'm gonna finish up the eyes really quick. First, I'm gonna take this Morphe M432, which is a flat definer brush, and I'm gonna take Ilde, which is a shimmery black. Then I'm gonna take this Morphe E18 and pick up Shawn and smoke that out. And then going in with this Morphe E17, I'm going to pick up Helen P and just really diffuse out those edges. To lighten up the waterline, I'm going to go in with my favorite Essence Silky Nude eye pencil. And I'm just going to pop on the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. And then I am going to spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I will be right back. So quickly, I'm going to take white gold. And I'm going to highlight the inner corners right under my brow. Okay guys, so I finished up the rest of my makeup. I just popped on my favorite lipstick from Lorac in Minimalist and tapped a little bit of ice from the Sephora Pro Editorial palette on the center of my lips. And this is the finished eye look. This eye looks a little funky. I don't know why it had such a hard time blending because my other eye looks great. This one right here looks so good. I don't know why this one was just, I guess you just have those days where one looks amazing and one looks like crap. And that was today. But I really like this eyeshadow look. I have really been loving the half cut crease look on my eyes. I just really think that it looks really flattering on my eye shape. So I have been doing that a lot lately, but I did this blue toned eyeshadow look and I really like it. I think it is so pretty. I haven't done blues in a while. I did do that orange with the blue on the lower lash line. I think that was look number 2 and I really liked that too, but this is an all blue and silver look. It is very pretty. I really like how it turned out. It's always interesting when I come in to do a video and I don't even have an idea of what I'm gonna do and I just kind of like go for it and it turns out pretty nice. So I really like this eyeshadow look. Like I said, this is look number 4 in my 10 looks using one palette series. So I will link all the other season playlists down below and also this season's playlist so you can check out all the other looks I've done and all the other palettes I have highlighted. I did film this face makeup. These are all products that have stuck around with me that I continue to use and really like, but I don't hear a lot of people talking about anymore. So if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any colors that you want me to highlight from this palette and any color combos that you think would be cool. Go ahead and leave those down below so I can check them out. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.